Fashion has always been something I've been fixated on. I think to see my clothes and my brand, see my community wear it, is really special. Growing up in Swansea, I didn't really fit in. I think I didn't do the best in school. I don't think having autism helped in that respect. I didn't really have anything I was drawn to until I started learning to sew. From that, I decided to push myself and study fashion design in USW. I used to feel like having autism got in the way, but now I'm able to channel it into fashion and what I do. From coming here day one, I've always felt supported, like they just understood me. The facilities here are great. Having so much access to the studio is super important. The tutors here are really progressive and nurturing. It gives you space to feel like you can push yourself, but you're backed. One of the guest lecturers also runs the Sustainable Studio, and from meeting her, I was able to set up my brand, House of Androgyny. And through my brand, I've been able to have my own runways. Having all this happen is really special. It feels really comfortable and positive to be a part of a queer network. You know, we're all a community and we all help each other out in any way we can. I get more celebrated now in Cardiff. I feel like I can express myself a lot more. Younger me would be really excited to see where I am now, doing really well in uni, having my own company, having really supportive friends and family that I get to work with. It feels surreal.